Alright guys, you're welcome to this video. Today I will be talking about 7 AI-based business ideas guaranteed to make you millions. I'm not kidding. I'm dead serious about what I'm saying. People are making so much money with AI-based business, from automation to trying to integrate AI with their existing business. Call it what have you. You can go on YouTube right now. You will see a lot of videos and people are making money with this. But how can you take advantage of this particular boom? Let me walk you through the 7 business ideas that I believe can turn around your financial status. Now let's go into it. But remember, for this business idea to work, you really need certain skills, certain AI-based skills, right? Some business ideas for AI-based skills. You need some skills around AI, how to use some tools. And also, if you don't have those skills, all you might need here is interest, right? You need to be able to have interest in the field so that you can now begin to create products around this particular field. Let's go into the first business without wasting your time. The first business idea is AI consulting firm, right? You can establish an AI consulting firm that offers expertise in implementing AI solutions for businesses across various industries. Now, let me tell you, AI can be used in almost every industry in the world. Name them, from health to relationship to wellness to making money. There is no industry in the world to fintech that AI cannot be used to learn, to execute things faster, for automation, for faster research, name them. So you can just be a consultant helping people implement AI solution for their business. If you're thinking about services to provide, here are the services that you can provide. Now, let's look at it. You can provide AI strategy development, whereby you are consulted for you to provide a strategy on how people can develop AI-based business, right? And solution. Based on the knowledge you have, you'll be able to advise them and they will pay you for that. You can also be able to offer data analysis service, right, to people who are in need of it. Where you analyze data, you help them provide data. After the analysis, they can be able to make informed decisions with data that you have analyzed, right? Also, you can be able to be involved in machine learning model development, right, where you can develop your own machine learning model that can learn, understand, and also create. Like ChatGPT was built on a particular model. Google Bard was built on a particular model. So you can be able to develop your own model and feed it with all data sets. Another thing you can do is AI integration. You can help other businesses integrate AI into their existing business, right? Just like what I do in my own business. Right now, basically, we integrate AI into our business and it's helping us to develop content faster, to do research, to do a lot of things, right? A lot of things. So that is what other business people need. Supposing I don't have the idea and the skill to do this, I would have employed somebody else to help me with that aspect. If you have this skill, that is what you can do for other people. So you can help companies leverage on AI technology for improved efficiency and decision making. AI business idea number 2 is AI powered software development, right? You can develop an AI powered software solution tailored to specific business need or industry requirements. I see different industry right now looking for AI that they can add up to their software development. Now, some of the service you can provide can include creating an AI chatbot. If you go on YouTube right now, you will see a lot of people talking about how to create a chatbot that will help you do customer relations, chatbot that will help you talk to your customer, chatbot that will close for you, chatbot that will organize your business, all sort of chatbots, right? You can be able to create AI powered software to handle all that. Another thing you can do is predictive analytic tool. You can create a predictive analytic tool that is using AI to predict different stuff, right? Predict sales, predict marketing, predict what kind of content is going to do well. You can use AI to do that, coupled with your software development knowledge. 3, recommendation engine. You can create a recommendation engine, right? Very powerful. Another thing you can do is image recognition software, right? You can use this AI to create an image recognition software that will recognize image and do analysis. Right now, we have AIs that can literally carry 3 different images and create one unique image, and that can be used as a stock image for people who need it, and that is making a whole lot of money, right? So once you are able to create softwares that businesses can integrate into their operations to enhance their productivity and customer experience, then you'll be making money. That is idea number 2. Idea number 3 is AI-based healthcare solution, right? Healthcare is a big deal. Healthcare is the 3rd biggest sector in the world. So don't play, right? Don't play. Healthcare is making so much money. If you are able to now make an AI-based software that can be used in the healthcare industry, that is huge. So you can focus on developing AI-based healthcare solution to leverage machine learning algorithm, right? To do what? Number one, to help medical diagnosis. Instead of doctors using their outdated tools to be diagnosing somebody, they can use AI-based tool to do that diagnosis and get better results. What they can also do is patient monitoring. AI tools that can monitor patients, their growth, their recovery stage, and all those stuff is very useful. Another thing you can do is personalized treatment plans, right? AI tools that can help to create a personalized treatment plan for certain kind of sickness and certain kind of patients, right? And will give an accurate figure on what they can do to get better. Another one is health data analysis. An AI-based tool that can help with healthcare data analysis, that can literally go through a database and analyze the data of people who are sick based on certain condition, based on certain environment, and analyze the data and give a result that one can use to make informed decision on how to protect or to prevent certain kind of disease. The options and the possibility is basically limitless, right? So by combining AI expertise with healthcare knowledge, individuals can create innovative solutions that improve patients' outcome and healthcare delivery. This will literally change health for every one of us. Business idea number 4. Now, business idea number 4 is AI-driven marketing agency. Now, this has to do with you or me starting an AI-driven marketing agency that utilizes AI technology for various activities, such as number 1, to optimize digital marketing campaigns. Every time I run Facebook ad, in fact, I always want to optimize my campaign, but let me tell you the truth, I rarely go to Facebook and optimize my campaign. My campaign will be spending money for weeks without optimization. But if I have an AI tool that will just do that on autopilot, I will definitely go for it. So you can create a software, you can be an agency that will be using an AI to do all that. Another thing you can do is analyze consumer behavior. A tool that can help analyze consumer behavior. What are they consuming? How are they consuming it? What is the duration of their consumption before they will buy another one or before they will stop consuming? Analyze all this behavior to use to make decision concerning the buyer, right? Another tool that can be done is personalized content. A tool that can create personalized content tailored to individuals based on what they like. If they like short form content, the tool will help you create short form content. If the audience like long form content, the tool will create a long form content. It's crazy. So another thing that one can do, AI driven marketing agency, is to be able to use AI to enhance marketing strategies for various businesses. So helping businesses to implement different marketing strategies to help them succeed and to help them make profit. That type of solution is really needed. So with all this, one can offer an AI-powered solution for customer segmentation, targeting, advertisement, marketing automation to drive results for clients. The option is limitless. And for sure, I know a lot of businesses are already doing this. For sure, this business model is very new, and that is why you should get into it right now before it gets saturated. Business idea number 5, AI in education services. Education consultant like me, I'm an educational consultant, and I know we have millions of people who are into this educational consultancy. Imagine having an AI into this education business. It's gonna blow a lot of things into proportion. Now, if we can provide an AI-based educational service that will enhance learning experience for students and lecturers or educators, it's gonna change the whole thing. Every day, I see lecturers or educators who are still teaching outdated materials, who are still teaching things that are not useful to students. With this AI, it's gonna be education and knowledge on the go, right? Where we can develop an AI-powered tutoring platform for adaptive learning system, for virtual class, and also for educational chatbot, where you can use educational chatbot to actually teach the student, teach the educator himself. The both parties will be learning on the go. This is crazy, like I said. So it's an idea. You can create it if you are into this particular field. For sure, I'm going for this particular idea because this is my field. I'm definitely going to roll out something very, very soon in this field. So this particular solution can help in personalizing learning, provide feedback, support educational outcome in schools, university, or online learning environment. Yes, this is a huge stuff. Like I said, I'm definitely going into this because this is my area and I think I can create something valuable for educators and students as well. Business idea number 6 is AI for smart cities solution, right? This particular idea can focus on developing AI solutions for smart cities that optimize urban planning, transportation services, energy management, public safety, and environmental sustainability, right? See, this will really solve a lot of issues. I don't know if you stay in Nigeria where somebody will buy his land, build a house. After some years, government will come and bulldoze the entire place. And they will not say that the place that the person got the land and all that was originally meant for something else, right? We can stop all that, right? AI can help us literally develop and map out everything, and people will be able to know the original plan of these things, and they can see it whenever they are buying. AI, this thing can be done with AI, and it will stop the issue of going to demolish people's house after they've built the house and spend a lot of money in it. Overnight, they will tell them, okay, you need to park, because that is not the plan. With this AI for smart cities, we can solve this particular problem, and you can create something like this. So we can create an AI algorithm and IoT integration that enables cities to become more efficient, resilient, and responsive to citizen need, right? So these cities are supposed to be created for us, for how we want it. Not you buying a land where you like and tomorrow they bulldoze it, because there is no proper planning and all that. We can curb this issue. Idea number 7 is AI-based financial services. This is beautiful. A lot of companies are already investing in these. Apps are already coming out for AI-based financial services that leverage on machine learning and algorithm for various use cases. And some of the use cases are for risk management and assessment, for fraud detection, for investment analysis, for personalized financial advice. You can see some of those apps. Like I have one app now that literally will look at my spending. Do I spend my money? Do I earn my money? And literally come up with a plan for me and tell me what I can do, how I can spend more efficiently, that I can now save, right? I will not choose the goal that I want. If I want to save 2 million every month, this app can literally tell me what to do with the income that I'm having and how I can be spending, what I'm supposed to spend every day, every week, and what I'm supposed to earn as well to get that amount. Apps like that are available to help us live a better life. And these are all ideas that we can create. If you can create this thing, remember what I always say, the money you are looking for, the wealth that you want to create are in people's pockets. All they need is a solution that you have. You provide this particular solution, they will gladly give you their money and they will take your solution. It will better their life and their money will be with you, and that will also better your life. So that is the exchange. So we can actually develop this kind of software that are AI powered. So all these tools are here to help us. Like I have said, this tool can help you automate a lot of things. Like some of you who are into trading, you can be able to create tools that can automate trading, right? Tools that can help in credit scoring, tools that can help in managing people's wealth. Like I mentioned, right? The tool that I use right now help me to manage my wealth, tell me how much I'm expected to spend and all that. Also for financial planning. The purpose of all these things is to help individuals and business make informed decisions. Once you can create this particular tool or you provide this particular services, you are going to be changing lives. So guys, that is my top 7 AI-based business idea. Guaranteed. These ideas are guaranteed to make money because they are not too rampant. If you can do this, you will make money. No two ways about it. So these are not ideas that you say, oh, let me try it. Nah, lie. If you try this idea, you will make money. People are in need of it, and these are brand new ideas. So guys, if you try these ideas, you will definitely make money. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the top 7 AI-based ideas right now that you can venture into, and is guaranteed to make you a lot of money. Now, if you're into the fintech industry, if you're into the financial industry and you're thinking about what ideas, what can I create right now to make money, watch this next video on your screen about how to make money in fintech, in the financial technology industry. You can join the likes of the PalmPay, the MoneyPoint, the Paystack, and all this financial industry. How you can also create your own apps and start making money with fintech. Or you can watch this other video as recommended. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.